So once again, before we get started, I just want to give you guys a little bit of background about where I'm from and who I am and how I learned what I've learned about vertical jump training. So I started playing basketball when I was about 6 years old. I played through middle school. I was in high school, 4-year varsity starter, and I was a point guard, only 5'10". So one of the biggest challenges for me was my vertical. That's the one thing. I had the skills, I had the speed and the quickness. I needed to get my vertical increased. And so then a little later I get accepted to Long Island University, where I am on the basketball team, part of the Northeastern Conference. And that's where I begin. I meet their head trainer, their strength and conditioning coach. His name's Richard James, who was a track and field Olympian, a gold medalist in the 4x100 relay. And he is the one who introduced me to the concepts and the training style of this program that I'm going to show with you guys. So he shows me that, and almost immediately I get 6 inches added to my vertical in the first 2 months, and I didn't keep seeing those gains, but I plateaued a little bit. But by the end of the first season at Long Island University, I added 10 inches to my vertical, and I was a 5'10" dunker. Just by these training courses that I'm going to show you. So let me let's get started.